everyone, Mercedes Van Pelt with Coldwell Banker wanted to share a little information with you about how do you sell a home during a pandemic. Been getting that question a lot these days, and I thought I'd share my most recent case study in selling 19928 Tom Lee Avenue in West Torrance. We sold the home in 3 days. We received multiple offers, and we sold for $18,000 over asking. So, are properties still selling during a pandemic? The answer is absolutely yes. How do you go about doing that? You make sure that you expose the property in the best way possible online, which is where we're accessing all of the buyers and where buyers are able to receive all of the information about the property. So we created a personal property website. We, of course, had professional photos done to showcase the property in its best possible light. I made a first look video where I could take the buyers through the home, tell them what the sellers absolutely loved about living in this home for so many years, and really share things like, where does the couch go? What's the focal point of this room? And share information like how much natural light really does come into this home. So exposure on the internet in a way that people can take a virtual tour and really see all the benefits of the home allows you to provide maximum exposure since we have limited access. No open houses, no brokers open. Really, first and foremost is safety. So allowing buyers to have a virtual tour and see the property before ever coming really helped schedule those private showings with those buyers that were very serious about wanting to move forward with a property like this. And because of that, we were able to receive those multiple offers. So it can be done. Safety is key and first and foremost. And if you'd like more information about how you too can sell your home during a pandemic, please feel free to reach out to me. My information will be following. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.